Ni invite no. Ni a man yi. Na na ba invite ndo do say nwanya.
Isano.
If say one chechere bunu ne kase dia. Ya do ya hwienye yo. Yesu omo frɛ na afa ba kokotum saa. And me no mienu nyina ni masema meka. Said the entire wo ya sa na political. Me no mienu nyina wo nkonya oteso. Edi madanse say me no mienu nyina ya political. Mini baby e frɛ ofri. A omo ka kyerɛ na afa ba kotum. Tete bono ni asantentem. If say bono ni asante kembo mu a. And the NDC won't win election. If say bono ye buzia. And asante ni ye about force akuto. Na wo ye ni ade. And it worked. Many are not going to fall for it. That is how come you lose all the 6 seats in Bono. It is no ayano. And you Bono Biano Peja contract in 1 year. If it's actually a Peja a year court of appeal. And at the way and a Dutch over Kai. Now be soon. The body, no one way a young Puno Akunya Tuntum. I don't mind. One way at the warrior, young Puno Akunya Tuntum. If so, Hina, your sum, our Quakura, Edward Babeja Dimpa. The warrior was Sabono, that was Asante. Now, so can him no bomua, and Kaya Cassia, and Mount Cassia. Miss Ressa Sabre and Anamon Sunda yet. That the way any jais. Many on Mabono for. Obia nam na adoma hina die me die bufo kan bibia etiaye. My main aim is the unity of their kingdom.
Exactly.
More fire.
Sugar. Me we show no an mefro. US mefro. Old burger. Also say huna ya baba kikache. Me responded to oda. We ya never number send me on Facebook mefro.
More fire.
Ya bono ni asante be ka bom. Na adoma hina pa won konto kwan konko. Ye mfa ne ho.
Side that.
Ada be no. Gobi. Ya so free na adoma hina. Katokraku. Ya die and we are
Okre.
Aye. Profuteshu awa.
where we are.
No dia fire kon.
Katokraku aye coup d'etat. Katokraku ba no constitution bi na den ba ye. Na de enti Kofi Adam saye din amasa ade na koso no. Enkomo bi akoso.
Expose.
San komo ne se omo di way test waters na hwe. Tienio, Minister of Sports, Waye Dean, Ketokraku changing the constitution of GFA to allow a third-term presidency. Our brand normalization committee. Omoto, Omokasi Yanasa. Tienio. Before Smebaka, Nani, you are Santa in a video now, water Yomono. Any idea? Why? You know, any man for Netuno. We knew a best Asante Kabumu, Bonon Kabumu, and I know Ko, Wako Sante, Fefefe, and I know Sante Hinoko, Uguama Hino, Fefefe, Uguama Hino Subai, Fefefe, Sandia Bayano, Yen Chin and Adomine. Adomine. You are any tea, any abonofon, Kunya, abonofon, Kuchana. And you are Yenti. Pia ine dani fasiwa sante be ya sante bono be koso aye bono na suma hine ura se benim se memfre no ura o se okobia na asane pe mu a enti de wo ya wo de sa bunu di enti ya ofe na suma hine wo na aye bunu di na wa ma obi free baby me ba pe free kwamu na wo sa bunu enti ya ofe etachima hine wo mpene wo asemu you ko hine ompene wasem so da bia ye kan ne akwesa ase bono ni nyina na ni asante ko bono bia no ani asante ko do ma hine pe na ni asante one sante hine na ko one sante hine minim dia sante hine Jeffrey no ene do no so we every sante hine he is so obsessed with him
Precisely so.
More fire.
Mo faket na samra From Futichi Amora.
Okra.
Ketokraku. Hey! Wa abrogate constitution. Wasesa no. Constitution e do ba ye no. Ni atwere wo mu. Say you shall have 2 terms.
Exactly.
And it was some constitution, and I call it will be a mechanical normalization, and I escrow members, and I find now we want to test the waters. Obi, yes, Kofi Adams say money at the age of my DNA say, and you 1 year 1 year second of one reacting to Krekwa. Now so much me the Jomama 10 presidency number. We yare. Now Ghana for 72, Ghana for 1 away. Begwin 66 Ghana for now. Yandy away. Say ya. Kwame Nkrumah call to the power corner. I did not Ghana for your money. Hey, Saha. Busi ako na Ghana for your 72. Hey. A champion so na mo say man in your bia adwene na mo kura de mo sa nkrofo mo de kan ko asem timi alter bibia e say ye alter bie and ma mo ba ye 79 esa ba ye 81 jeje Rollins wo de ku na ma mo ye nipa ti yaka ku asem mo bia nsuro dem wo anya de manfo ne pa na de ketokra ku matna amana ye no wo aye Kofi Adams ye watna ma ketokra ku aye no so to aso sa amane nya wadwene say mo football for na mbetna wa so ne so a and ye Ghana for nyina ba so Jomama 10 president a good deal money so e say Jomama so hui ketokra ku nsa constitution eti yansa anko tetem afọ obekọ ba ko so eni yansa nsa ne nkofo obekọ ba ko yo yansa ne nkofo anya sa na kudi tabe na chesa kudi tabe na chesa a wono ayi Kofi Adams atno me aye sanse mu ni so enka wa se sports for na monka enka wa mane nye obi adwene se betimi a transcend to the general constitution
Never.
Yeni friso keto kro kumempo asem
Okra.
Many anything against you personally, but sadly, why you and everybody must abhor such behavior, dictatorship mindset, greed mindset. We don't build a nation like that. When the people have agreed that this is the direction we want to go, nobody should think so. Such a man for to maneuver his way to stay in power for so long.
More fire.
Oh, no, Mano Henry Asante. Yamran Yamabo Henry Asante video. Henry Asante video. Miana Miniano. Oh, Henry Asante. Kwasinya Ntechi Woswo. Oh, try another pen. And they are Baba Kasama for my GF here. The air cost what and 10. Many are supporting. Are they? Henry. Integrity. I
didn't fire.
Kofi. I didn't know most sports for me. Na sports for journalists for any idea. Is obi anka sports for you. Dan koku ye bo na oyi. Sports Obama. And no now they could claim to fame sports. Won't make us say because of morning show. They say what jazz sports can. What can be?
No fire.
Ayi friend say me nua ya woni nyansa bebre. Ayi Kankan Bodu. Oh, solid guy. Kankan mo be kabi ade na akoso no kudita. Jola kamunyina mo edi sometime oda so ho. Mo munya na sometime o. Ani Jola ka.
Fire.
An matna ho. Am ya yekuwi.
Think about this time demonstration.
Demonstration.
Back to back.
Cuz say o mess back.
Any o mapene sports wa politics yam pene o. Hey, man, you'll be arguing. Be catch your pain. And you might know what you say, Obama. And it's a fancy comedy. And it's a maybe a freak massy just to put fear in the people.
Exactly.
I wouldn't fear Putia. None Putia Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah, the detaining Crawford. Preventive Detention Act. And no Grana need stopping Crawford. Who wouldn't fear Putia Champo? More be put fear in the people and you catch it all. Till my year mohochi mount for your kai, I know watch it. Your guy, I know watch it. Oh, you are going to sell better mount for the fear show mumu as your way of getting another term and you're possible. You are who we are. You better was it. Thank you very much for your service. Away, get out.
More fire.
Say musu say nipa be issue na no akasa. Say mfuna mu kan kroma bebre. And ye kan ni acho. Ye che wan ya. cheche itime chi obi court amani bail ni ya use bail no as a means of suppressing the person itime mo obi bail Tuesday na Wednesday Thursday Friday yes say twa Saturday Sunday Monday no kwa yenyaya yes zitabense bi ese say Obama ya say or report 5 years ago say Obama churo bibi on Facebook it's abuse of power who is zitabense and not me guys will be churo bibi on Facebook and say mfunu a wo churo fa Dr. Mamadu Bawumia ene yayi ho you don't even deserve to be appointed as a commissioner a high commission to UK let alone say who moral happy to say who Kwame Achobi the abuse of power enkrofo ni yebi e kaseti ai mo ba mo ye worse you cannot succumb the people won't succumb onyanse mfunu no me dey say ni yi 20 comedy asemo ka so o say we kura dem be na mo
so jino
fanti comedy obi atimi owe say ya no mbe ya na nkofo ebrensu ye ayi Tommy Thompson mo ye je rolling say ya no ye no ayi bekon say okai wo mu nyina ye ti wo mu koje me bi kura wi wo mu stock in trade no mo nkola na aba na munimo me say Joy FM wo mu pray ayi wo mu ye 1999 ye beto aba samense mo wo mu tuo ye radio nia ye bowura okoye bebre ya na yes be bi adu ye nto aso Grofo you almost talking trade now. Abusing the media.
Precisely.
Na fe ne yenya ye beba plane ensemo so. Kobi? Ye sorry fro.
Yenko.
Galamsey no. E bi edu no. Yesi dwane.
Ayo.
Se me kan munti.
Ayo.
Jenwa. Me kan. No mu di matem. Maybe both videos 5 men carry we are mo make mo judgment na ye beko eye manso bonteso is bonteso if you are ye beko so we are contomra ade amrantie ne ye now the people are no more afraid of the police they are no more afraid of the military because ye jai masadio ya be the source of livelihood of the people and ade na mo kwamba no ye bedwane dani get ready na menchira Ghana for ene Galamsey for timi there say wo aye Galamsey ni bia obehunu police ni bia
Tell them
if say me dem fit gold board aba or dey bam catch them with the ripple effect when did he matter then if first video bra yenko he mrantia ne wo mu nsuro say police for kura military kura and man so eye bonteso wo mo ne wo mo de ntokwa am ye shutu bi ekum bi
more fire
dani yanya adwuma me say it's so sad
Exactly.
Dabi dani nye weya ayi se we akontomra ye ni kan ko manso bonte so ansa na ye mra ye ba se we akontomra what
more fire
e de ba no obi ani ye nyina ye din afi dani yenti So, Danny, now, General, it has gotten to a point that the civilians are no more afraid of the military. They are no more afraid of the police. Or then it's for 200 and say a toha. You see, Major Mahama, BBC. Civilians, they're no more afraid of a year, a two. They are no more afraid of a year, a account. And that Mansu Monteso, or more dead police for no. Says some mema monfa yinso and ani yanko video baako a abrantie baako who was an eyewitness otiminya the courage to say yenima bia police for no da na ye mo warning say next time omba omagimi say no mugimi and this is dangerous for our nation yes yanka galamse asem na mom the only reason here na ayi felisofo kwache wasebre na no twa tro and say no odwen say omo ba say ni no makotumi and this is where we have gotten to. Avena yentia branch yentino.
Elo near was site na yetia na say yenko fo iba. Ini wo mo so yatade. O mo so mo she police atade. O mo bae na no be fa machine ba ko. Na sha akwa no baba e. Fanya no tututu. Ama to no bi kwa farmaso achi o. Chairman. Na nsana ka misi bi kwa me de anka de na bisi. Sabane ne wajuma na yes no. Obi ti abrantia ne kasa Etiova na so achi o na senaka meme wo media that is the level of impunity I get it to. You know why? Because omunim se mpanimfo na de excavator saba omunim se mpanimfo na hihye mu it is a mumu betu bi dia yesu yetu bia ya site dia mo ba be se ho eti no that courage say mesu me kura mitu a yentie yenkoso ntie no kura me dia nkade na bisi Sabane ne wajuma na yes say stop here na any problem I don't family kwan so say bi no one stop wajuma ko ba say bi wajuma na sabane stop no bla wuni adwuma ye yenko bokro no ana se yenko bokro no won kan kire se yentwa ne kwam ho ne ene no enye de ese ye transformer na wa say no eno so ye galamse adwuma asame ma na wa chi no ba na okura excavator ye adwuma ana o machine na kwateto ye na teto pit ti se o ma ya we de say yentwa mo yenso be twa mo some ben boko ye ben boko some nyane boko so a yenso nyane boko ate so mo da hotel bi wa ha me hotel bi mo da nyina yenim ba bi mo da nyina yenim so ma waje so mo be play bada e be chon so mo tie kromo a o mo sa ba bie mu a mo be tie nka
me a carpenter ni by me say galamse we school training college mamtech the year 2018 up to date me post my this mean now say the common me galamse no meye se mama ana the next president so nya ko so soja ni no be di aban na o mama dwuma as a teacher before say galamse ni meja ye ba ye nya post me a me set that so that dem no e ma me nko we abo e ma me nko ye bibia nti me ye training college student a me wie ye 2018 up to date me post my me sa ko ye technical no by eno e na me didi nkakra kra enti me ma say bosom yeru bosom yensa no bi mfro say bla be adwuma ba galamse ni de bia me ginam me koswaye de to so biemu no se mama ana asoma nkofo ne se omomla de a omfa the right uniform and family because untimi mfa na nkwansi ni atade nkogya classroom enkyera de untimi nkofa obi oton ntos e wodwom ene ma mfa nko bank enkwatra bank se wo ye teller 1 teller 2 wo discount ma obi it is also soja ni no oba onfa soja tare mla so a police no oba onfa police atade we don't know someone who is called anti-robber ye ni obi a nti se omadwen se omo ba enne migina manim na meka oman mu nyina obi ahwemani mama wo kora na meka sa kire wo hwemanim ye na mom no ye post ma ye no eno nkire se ye ntena fie ndidi o se mo se nya galam se ndidi a an roba na ye be start with the minister himself Manson Quanta, this is assembly or your career home. Child district found in Eba, educational fund, and this fence in your mask, say the ball mine brown. See about first war, we know the right time man started the back. You have to see your magic. It's some penny idea.
Daddy, as a Mariaka. Now the impunity.
Exactly.
You know why? Yet I walk say, yeah, you want more for the right uniform, Brano. Because and penifon beat me, Sumami Yakopam boys in the floor. No more the almost cabages. So now the people do not have trust for them again. Because you shall say, yeah, Galam say, Tony, Anna, Gofobo, and my friend, oh, we want to come and join you. We want to come and join me. I'm saying, I don't come and join me. Because the very moment Abako one side, Abako, we are good and baby. I will break you all. The next time, almost belay ambush a trail. Because someone said, no goodwill, any good intent. Also, them ranching, I don't trust. Now I don't penswa. So we are contomra. I'm ranching to Miss Tissukrum, Equa Galam say side, Equa Jitio free China for her. Because almost sell money. And we are gradually getting to we are gradually getting to a state of anarchy. Nobody is controlling anything.
Exactly. So
nobody is controlling anything. Here is a video. Here.
Right, I'm sure so. I'm going to China for a site in this one casa. Aha, it's a mamu. I'm going to site to one casa, you know. No be messy side. A footballer.
Look at the kind of gun you cram ranching. Look at the kind of gun. I cram my sophisticated weapon. And a cram ranching. Have you
And I'm moving on to your control. And Mamma as I said, your boss at National. And Mamma, I can do, but a mobile not make them actually. And Mamma, a bird do not match a movie at your mutual as I play or Modico, says your contomra. Baby. I branch here again, or no, and a Dumano, a move 70%. Or quite a tribute on you. I'm a time say, you're alive on a hill. Now, make come say you are live on Ayoba TV. Yeah, that's all. I will galamsey sat and I say illegal manners. The big say you so almost say do share the echo.
Danny, state of anarchy. How would you echo so? Kovi, the American Mansu Bonteso. Aha, I say we are contomra. Kovi, my miss, I'm found a year amansia. Amansia. Never had any first one I can't be born. Let's share the impunity. Galam saying some course across the country.
oh no.
Kovi? Yenina yet because you see NDC aba and Galam say asem. Daniel Koneko video. Young Amansia, young Yenti.
when you were coming. Protect the Leicester! Protect the Leicester! Protect the Leicester!
Bobby, Gerard, we are sitting on time bomb.
Precisely.
A very dangerous thing.
Exactly.
Me your first demonstration. No more matem. We are sitting on time bomb. Gerard, yet a time bomb. This is so dangerous, Bobby.
Precisely.
It's so dangerous. We are sitting on time bomb. If as a nation we will continue to play politics with this kind of a menace, problem now the people have an entitlement mentality because much for so long. And I'm mobile fight here. Mo fight here man mo excavators. That is how come they don't trust the police, they don't trust the military, and they are ready to fight them. Because omunim say nya akoma pa na mo dey here. If I know say excavator no, if report on the Babasini Kudrum, a district assembly for you, it's a Mahama Tenaha. No, I catch them. DC is in MMDC. Say, who MMDC here? Mema 1 week. Excavator show forest. May you any 2 minutes. MMDC is in Yinaba excavators here. Any 2 minutes. Say your mama can say, and penny and power one pair a year galam say, Nanya Crocro de Jong. No, say, Minister of Land, Minister of Air Defense, Minister of Air Interior, or my press conference, almost say, a free Nedeko on the authority of President John Dramani Mahama. Every DC, MMDC, and 4 extra foresting, you be you a dear. Galam say to be trained 2 seconds.
Fire. Fire bend them all.
Yango and Samuel Felix of Usukwache. When they were playing politics, when Galamse issue, tell my men Kwame Apia Kubi, many Mr. Speaker, nay near Bre, you're fighting in the interest of the people. No more play politics with it. Yenti Felix of Usukwache.
The reason why Galamse has flourished is that from the highest levels of the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government, they have support. And perhaps the only way to ensure that the fight is won is to see the back of this government electorally come 2024. I have been in government before, Samson, so I refuse to accept that the state of Ghana, with its vast resources, is not in a position to tackle the illegal activities of the hundreds or even thousands of young men and women.
A few moments later.
Which time we can say our water bodies are restored, Galamsey has ended?
First of all, I'm not sure that a timeline is necessarily the conversation we should be having. I think it should be a lifelong activity. The point is that we cannot guarantee that people will stop.
Bobby? Say I you know play politics with it yan to aso on some Nkrofo ka Galamsey won asema play don ko hwe wode na mani abre yan ko so mfa na nature has a way there be a punishing Nkrofo for the wrong things. Nature has a way see nyina yan ka mum say Galamsey is something that is going to kill all of us na see betra wa e be next one anyeme na anyobi eden aso ni pemi ne beko why mo me enter on them for politics in nisi mo say ya why
More fire.
Danny I teacher training for no omo ne nurses no omo say there ya omo kem yanya na me sori omo de enso na fe me nko regiment no nko busa IGP say why na she ma bi achi a Danny teacher training no said your mama omo say ayi Akufo-Addo no mfidi omo yi Carlos Trouble say who be this where are they ya yenti omo
training, we say continue video. I say 1 hot meal. Another bag of Akufo-Addo buying. I'm almost 2 meal 3 times 3 square meals in a day. Or buy also to me. Or I'm almost 1 hot meal. I will say 1 hot meal now. Okay, and you. Different 10 a day and a different 10 a cake in you. And it was stew. The kind of one say I say. I'm a politicizing. 1 hot meal. In fact, training, he say continue to do. I say one hot meal. Another bag of father buying. I'm on 2 meal 3 times 3 square meals in a day. Buy also to me. I'm on 1 hot meal. I will say 1 hot meal now. Okay, and you. Deeper 10, a day and deeper 10. A king can be, and it was stew. The kind of Monte, I'm a politicizing. 1 hot meal for teacher training.
Gobi, say teacher training no say Akufo Addo aban ne nye. Na John na be nie. Dokono no so emuodu. Na enkwan na ne o ma na stew.
Fanti stew.
Fanti. We are son tori. No, see the bus say do. Ni be do na be didi esi we. Wow. Wow. Yamu ya se majo mama ba ya. Na nursing training no so na womo dani womo amemeke omo asem e se ma bere ne nsem ne ka e se womo aba be ka omo asem womo so ma ya adwuma sai boso me makoma akọ nwotwe ne yentua omo ka nurse fo na eka ye wie ye no womo se ya adwuma ana branche on nam Ghana ye so ye fellow dia ben ni trim afu se 10 days ayi bomfa bodam ni 10 days na wasa wa bu womo waso nya emergency no obo omo rafu wan yeah fix the country nam dwe so de akoma pa na ayi NDC en winia na minim se na me dagata buom ene sa branche wasi dia ni moje etu na nya branche we na ayi wogina 37 na obi bewu a oka se mmuwa obi wa na yede na rafu moje etu na ye hwe wa na ye de be uwo bi bewu ana no se muai ba ku wa na yedai na rafu so akodu na moje atu ni ya hwe wa afa ya bonus fo yo abranche bonus fo hey me mo video no kwa ha metan
True sir.
Ha metan kura na wo ye ne wo ye makola na odidi akiri fix the country days no odidi me ni Oliver achi a afa du ba bi na okoka Ibrahim ama asem a no onu mom no so ye ayi freedom fighter no odi matam meteni nyina na we dia wonye me target na afa ne no yentie video yentie
What are you telling me? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What solution has it for? People are dying. What do you want? What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye there. My woman and I'll buy him. My son are making less sense. It doesn't make sense to me.
Yo, Oliver, me dia branche no me hunu safi no ye dambi ne mo nye freedom fighter bia ana sa Mataya complex. Something called Mataya complex. All of a sudden he sees himself as the one fighting for the nation. Edimen kana sembio. Me hunu so didi matam ne bia. Na no wose Ghana muwa bebrebe obi wa na eden. Na rafo no moje tu na ye nhwe wa. Wo no de oye nipa che de no wu no. To asusa. Na minim so dwen say abrasiveness ne de oye no na we wo bu nurse for ayi regional. Ana nurse for ne be cancel. Na ni fa nurse for be no me come asem. Nurse for no ye no so 8 months ni 7 months ni entua ye ka tie ne ko jan ye boko jan ye ntie nurse for ye
Medindi nurse Gladys. I'm here to talk about our salary issues. We are 2020 main batch and we were being cleared last year August 2024. We had our appointment letters and assumption of duty. That was 2024. We have been working for 9 good months. This is our 9th month without salary, nothing, no motivation.
Gobi na nurse ni ye mama ye ntwaka ekombekun na nurse ni ye ntwaneka e dia ho ya foma ni so nkofo no beku omo atu ho chebe no de be sa na nurse fo ye tu omo kakwa no mo attitude ti say no on nurse ni 9 months ye ntwaneka because yes MPP for ne fa wo hey say no minor do your minor do no say MPP for ne fa wo it ye ntwaneka wow nurse for you Omakro ene se kwa no bekum krofo because ye ntwa ne kadia boni beba ntrim si ntwa ne ka what in phone so a won fa ho ti nkrofo ne be wu hospital ho eti ntwa na asefo ne ka wo na fellow ho awan se abo mo yi na ka mu ye ka freedom fighter de ka we ne akum bi mo si ntwa mo ka yi na motivation course exactly freedom fighter do you know and you are na sade a yakayade kayade koye manfo no and it's a wako na emergency ward ne nya nyoma papa there are systems and procedures exactly and nurse for na akobo mu that's freedom fighting ye nya na sa na me pede wo ye no toaso why oh say ya toaso sa dani nurse ni be ma ba kono so fa ne bra no so be kana sem why me de me ni hweka nurse for ni teacher for ye mo be kan one me report me de me ni bika why ye ntie we so no ma fonfon kura omani kan kra ni nyine pipi if se kwom nko no mo de adwuma na we gina we ne kwan be no be so be adwuma ye ntie no
me free sinyane na me ba hai and in fact how me can be free sinyane wa. And as a matter of fact, and then some nursing officer, me 9 months. Minya 1 city crowd. Just imagine. And there, when I say, okay, Juma, I say, we Juma, or Papa, say, we Juma. When I for money in so we Juma. Yeah, the passionate, I be nurses. Now, so we are not even getting a penny for whatever we are doing. And the fact is that regardless of your payment status, okay, Juma, also here, Juma say the city. If we say
yeah Obi I can bro phone chire me yi na se phone free so o ma go come asem media mo kana me mo go come asem why na se phone mo nyire mo ho ave go bi minimum wi no ay Regimanuel Langas no police for na show mo chi
more fire
IGP yo no ya ka chire opin police for no either say muchine Langas and amone Langas for na yadwuma nioma mienu munchine dia akoma stop yo Regimanuel free Regimanuel nyene Covid-19 o Regimanuel inspectors free Regimanuel nyene afa o mo ho a ya say ayi woma di court no nsamo so ni ade akura abusua bi de aye Numo Kofi Anum family and omo de Regimanuel akọ court so omo nsa asibi about 100 and something acres the Regimanuel nsa ase ni nyina nso about 900 plus acres and omo de court no manfo bi abeto tonsa ase ni bi afri Regimanuel Kofi afra bi innocent third party purchaser says asase da ho na wo sabio ya media obi amfa men court na wo bi foforo bi ba betobi na akire no sa wo de court si wo win judgment di oba beto obi no ono de oye innocent third party purchaser eno ne your friend Equities Darling na Equities Darling no emra ne bo ne ho ban e bi so no oba beto asase no no nim se mansum bia wo so edu ochina ntimi nkonko je aye judgment ma na mfa me terrorize sa aye manfo no dem go there say afa yesi wo bi ayi wo ba bi ya friend Chantel so dey wono no akose ayi Numo Kofi Anum for family achi anu mo ya ade no mo so mo nya judgment no mo nya judgment no afa ye ba ne ade akofa ayi Langas sister say wonya enforcement of judgment ka the police for na be ye no wo mo kofa Langas for go bi ni ye breaki ayi was ni ade mo ye no ano na 13th August ya Regimanuel no so akwa stay of execution ne ayi de be high court no wo mo high court no asa bo decision no over 10 ani ade nioma bebiri etika munyai no ovi afa to Langas aye de bo manfo wo Regimanuel hole edani fa video no a ye ni ade ye bo security fo nyina ye edani bo video no na manfo ne hwe afa Regimanuel security head of security ani ade Langas akọ ne ye bo no na branch e bi shejala bia blue mo kai sa ayi Ablekuma the same guy
more fire
afa yesi baba we your friend Chantel yi ni ade hwe do mo be ye security adeba no hwe mo kai sa branch mo kai sa branch Ablekuma and we are allowing this nonsense to go on Afa yes obefa yes ababa no ne IGP free Chantel no ne IGP free obefa yes o ye woni panimu we free obefa yes o ne anu omo terrorizing so to the extent say even regiment war wo mabubu ni nyina go fifa dani fa war ne baba kire e wo abra court amma order 13th years so munyanse munu yomudi omso munyai ani yegusu bubu war oh regiment war yegusu bubu war lo na police phone yebusa question yeso call regional so call here na regional phone na bo mani a kire say we asem na okay Chantel yasem na okay one day one police mpanimfo ne power edi IGP said the mete ayi Angela Femere bia mekan so wonim ho hwedi a ene ye de odidi nsemone
more fire
so wonim ho hwia we makan ma kire ba bi kro regiment no enye wadwene se me na ade police be hu said ye kire etuo ayi se Obama kire tuo instead some bako after mo kura tuo no na se Obama na mo ko kire no wontimi fa police me hu ma kire ba bi kro me se regiment no ye de langas e hamamfo no as police your number one duty is to go there and make sure that the people are secure and safe. Don't come and use the police to come and intimidate them. You can't do that. You cannot do that. Sadia Langat for ne you know IGP asemu abedu wanim ama omo la you regiment of for ne ba ekura no wo so omo call regional make us so headquarters no ba here we and it's episode di akira ka wa wi obi di akiri
more fire
the police ni mo boa Langas for anamo ne Langas for na adwuma mon come yentie because people are going through a lot of terror. Langas terrorizing in this country and the police is aware. The police is either aiding them or against them. There cannot be middle grounds. It's either the police is aiding the Langas or they are against them. Now by inference, if you are not against them, your behavior and your posture, and you won't say you are aiding them.
Precisely. More fire.
Moya kanu kura nkyere ho ne yahudo ma me nunu bia ka kire mu pe me se IGP onu se wonwa Langas fo a sabi enyam wa nyina ne se da bia wo soma nkrofo akɔhye omachi na emom so moye ne acquaintance se mo tena se na mo nyo mo hwe ya you are also enforcing what they are doing. You are aiding and abetting. We can infer from conduct say you are aiding them. IGP onu se wonya agwadi a ene eminim se asem wo ya we any regiment people are being terrorized by Langat.
Exactly. More fire.
Small intelligence, national security, small intelligence amokoye. Yes, ababa will be a friend of Chantel. One no ye say yes, one in Penifun to a tis was as this one. And you know, we are there fast as ye de ani de akiri we ye born se akoko wo china ani ade ye beko ayi regiment wo ho na ye ne ayi wo mo na akodi nkomo and mo betin samu ekoso so IGP onu ne nkrofo please sit up.
Exactly.
IGP sit up. Edin a wo jema ho ne nyi papa. Edin a wo je. Wo ba ya IGP onu. Wo ba ya no ne ade o mu say ye mu bi. Na wo ba no we were not in support of it.
Exactly.
But wo ba ya na wo me ya ne awu a akia be kan wasem. The way you've handled Boko, the way you are the people do not have that kind of trust in the police. I think nipa wo ya ade yes CID oba no. Oba akoko no. Excellent. But the IGP, the charisma, the kind of charisma that you're supposed to inject in the police service, it's not there.
Precisely so.
And so Obama criticized, maybe he's doing it from a different point. But I'm telling you the truth. IGP, you may know the job. And for more indication, even if PID in Colonial, yes, one ate, and Sana Damparebo Bishimukina. So you may know the job. But I don't know what is entangling you. I want to be judgment. Bibi ni so afre se when na nko ya we dey me yemu bi frɛ kura yemu bi kan ya hu fa kwa mi so kam yente se yema resources nya adwuma me ani ya so nte na mom dey wo ye die baba we kakakakra eti Langas die yi esrewa wo mu de odinam Chantel no de odinam ana wa de odinam said na no wo lawyer Tadio sorry me yonko pa wo pe ka kyerem se wonya the only way we will surely know that you are not for them is when you go after them.
Exactly.
You be the chiri. Yenya asemo yi. Obi ya sori so no. Ayi oba fefe bi. Wa dani ko WhatsApp page no so. Na yi no yi ni ade. Na wo Finland. Na wate for the records New Zealand actually. Wate for the records fan club. The bia no mo bochenko New Zealand ehwe ade. And wo yes mo bi wo ni ade a obe organizing crofo me abe charity works ni ade. Na your friend Linda Sakiti. Dani hwade no so ne fa oba fefefe. Na Linda Sakiti ni. Na wo wate na wo so mo organizing nyoma ba beboa for the records charities. Ni ade. Mame yeda ase. Fefefe ni ade. Woni ne kunu mu nyina omo pe show Linda Yedase, Linda Sakiti. Thank you very much for a year. And baby, so some baba bois. Now charities a year near the mobile boadia. A quanda ho, let me reach out. Now so about bois. We did look at the chef information, just like I said earlier. And no show no, we are able to break kakra and me kwako yadi. Later I will announce it to you guys.
Exactly.
If it so happens that SME announced it earlier, I'll let you know. If a later may announce here, Emubian will keep you guys updated. My name still remains Okadeche Femesa. And thank you for making For the Records the #1 political and social show in this country. And we are not leaving you the space. Space in the Kurum. And Makachirem, I am coming. Quite be every first one, baby, I'm coming. As to where I'm coming, you guys don't know when I'm coming. Where there is I'll come. I am so determined. I am so focused. And no amount of distraction, no amount of air, no amount of space, no amount of distance, no amount of noise will deter me from my target. I'm like a sniper behind MK22. I shall see you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.